Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin and doing an unboxing today. Obviously, I actually don't know what is in this box. Hopefully it's watch related. I'm really not sure what's in here. Not expecting this, and there's no information on the return label. So let's get into here. So a rather large box as well. So definitely curious, and I want to get this open first, even though... Oh, okay. Alright, I know what's in here. Just getting my watches back from Josh. I think the tracking number is different than what he sent me, but anyway, no big deal. Yeah, I guess we can continue the video. What the heck? It's just an unboxing of my my watches coming back, so I guess you guys will see what I lent out to Josh for his video. Oh, no, this is not the watches I lent to Josh. This is... Okay. Man, my memory is getting bad. This is a tour watch from Random Rob. This is the Horizons 46, which will be too big for my wrist. But, hey, I wanted to check it out, so I'm checking it out. And we'll have a video on this soon. So I guess this video will be called the Zelos Horizons 43 watch unboxing. Or my memory is going bad and I don't know what I have coming and going. But I think the watch unboxing title will be better. So let's get this one off wrist. Got the Black Bay 58. Actually, the colors are quite similar, and obviously I didn't plan that out because I didn't even know what was in here. So yeah, let's get this on wrist. I have the... doesn't even really look that similar, but I have a 39, Horizons 39. So there we go, 43 millimeter diameter on my 6.5 inch wrist with a 52 millimeter wristband. Lug to lug on this. Looks to be about 50 out if I had to guess. So anyway, there we go. Quick unboxing. First impressions. It does have the micro adjust, or the quick adjust clasp here, and then the dual deployment opening clasp, so nice and easy to open and close. I have to look, but I think this must be the forged carbon. Yeah, very nice. Bezels a little hard to get to because the case sticks out farther than the bezel. I really like diving watches where the bezel is slightly proud of the case. So anyway, there you go. Just a quick unboxing. As always, thank you for the time. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.